I'm Dave from Country Road Campers.
And I'm Helen. We started with our own. It was something we'd always wanted to do, was build our own van, and we started on the drive building our own, and then started to hire that out, and it kind of led from there really. So now we've got our own workshop and we're 6 vans in, enjoying it.
Yeah. We only put lithium batteries in our vans, and the Roamer ones just seem to have the right, the range, because different customers need different amounts of battery storage, but mostly sort of the discharge and the charge rates are fantastic in them. I mean, we can run some really powerful appliances. The induction hob in this van, for example, not a problem for the 24-volt battery that we've got in there.
And I think a lot of people we've spoken to have talked about that kind of battery anxiety that you get, so we just love the fact that if we've put a Roamer battery in, we know they're not going to have that issue. You know, they can go and do what they want to do and just not have to think about it, which is great.
Yeah.